Traders, heads up. Today we are back on ZEN coin, and it has been quite a while since our last deep analysis. In our previous analysis, I highlighted a support level that had been broken and flipped back into a resistance level. This level had been respected multiple times, and whenever price returned to it, it showed strong reactions, making it a critical zone for potential trade entries. Back then, I mentioned that if price came back around $17.9 and formed a bearish candlestick, we could consider selling from there. But if it didn't respect the level and instead broke it, we would wait for the retest and look for a buy from there. Looking at the current market, ZEN coin is now showing interesting behavior that aligns with our previous analysis. The market is in a downtrend, forming a clear series of higher lows and higher highs, signaling that sellers are currently dominant. Price did not respect the flipped support level from before and instead continued selling, which confirms the strength of the bearish trend. This shows us that the key level we discussed previously remains relevant and critical to monitor for the next potential trade. So now let's talk about the new key level we have. Additionally, a new resistance level has formed around $11. This level has already been respected multiple times as price came back and was rejected. And this new resistance level is now a key zone to watch for trade entries because it represents the current battle point between buyers and sellers. Whenever price approaches this level, it has the potential to determine whether the market will continue downward or attempt a reversal. Here's how we are approaching ZEN coin at this moment. One sell scenario: if price comes back to this new resistance level around $11 and forms a strong bearish candlestick, it signals that sellers are defending this level. We can then look for a sell entry from this zone to the downside, following the continuation of the bearish momentum. Two, buy scenario: if the market does not respect this resistance and instead breaks above it with strong bullish momentum, it indicates that buyers are taking control. In that case, we wait for the retest of the broken resistance level, and if the retest forms a bullish candlestick confirmation, we look for a buy entry from there to the upside. So in summary, ZEN coin is in a downtrend, forming higher lows and higher highs. A new resistance level has formed around $11, which is also a key zone to watch. If price comes back and respects either resistance level, look for a sell. If price breaks above it, wait for the retest and look for a buy. Traders, what do you think? Will sellers continue to defend the $11 resistance and push ZEN coin lower, or will buyers regain control and push price higher? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. All right, traders, that is all we have on ZEN coin for today. Stay sharp, trade smart, and until next time, I'll see you in the next video.